push anything.
So I'm picking up from the last question that we stopped at. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I think we stopped at number 19, right?
We have finished the whole 50. We have finished it. Yeah, it's only we have finished the whole 50.
You finished it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm really particular about whether you got them right. Are you telling me that you are very sure you got all of them right?
Yes, sir. It's my dad that taught me the ones I don't understand.
As your teacher marked it?
I submitted it yesterday, and I
Did
went.
she mark it?
I don't know. I
No,
think
you
she
don't
has
know.
marked it. Should have marked it. Somebody would have done it today.
Okay. All right. So I want to just, I want to assume that you actually did the right thing, but let me just go through them with you so that we'll be sure. So I'm just going to ask you a few questions. Are you ready? All right. So for number 20, what did you do to answer number 20? Favor.
Number 20. So we first do our see the decimal not there, then we'll times it and
Yes.
each other. And then if we get our answer, we'll do it how many times does the decimal count? That is 3 times. So should I tell you how many we are?
Okay. So you have told me how you did it. Good.
The answer is
All right.
you have C.
So what's the answer?
C.
Is C. Okay. So you multiplied 496 by 72, right?
Yeah, 49.6.
Which one is 49.6 again? I thought you said that you pretended that there was no decimal point first. Is that not what you said?
It's me that said it to faith. Stop breaking the rules of the mathematician. It's not me, it's the mathematician in your forefathers' days.
Okay. All right. So Favor has answered that one. Number 21. Find the difference between the sum of 350 and 250 and the product of that number there is not clear. What number is that?
He says that 25 and 8.
Which
number? Which page is it? 111.
It's the same page we are on now.
Number 21 says that find the difference between the sum of 350 and 250. 25 and 8. And 25 and 8. And the product of
So Faith, how would you have done that question? How did you do that question?
But obviously the answer is A. I can say A because
I didn't ask you for the answer. I said, how did you do it?
350 plus 250 equals to 600. Then
What
I
next?
will now do 25 times 8.
Okay. Then what next did you not do?
Sir?
What next did you not do?
And then our answer is 25 times 8 is 200.
Okay. What
So
next did you not do?
now do 600 minus 200.
Okay, that's good. All right, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. Thank you. All right, let's go to the next one. Favor, this one is for you. A trader borrowed 50,000 for an investment. If the rate of interest is 5% every 6 months. Take note, this looks like a simple interest question, but the difference now is that it is not per annum. Did you notice that, Faith? Favor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Favor, what did you do in this question? Let me know how you answered it quickly.
So, Favor did not. This one. But this one is
Favor.
we do 50.
Wait. Slow down. Did I just hear Favor did not answer it?
Yes, why did not do the
Favor did
assignment?
not do it. Then I now said, let us do these questions. And you said that you have done all of them. Why would you make that kind of assumption that both since something that both of you did, some of them were not done by you? You wanted us to skip it and go. If I had not gone through it now, I wouldn't have discovered that Favor didn't do this.
So no, Favor was not feeling fine, so she did not know. It's only me that knew.
I want to know exactly when was this that Favor was not feeling fine again, because I thought that Favor was already okay.
No, she's not going to school for 1 week.
So Favor,
Sir,
are you feeling fine now?
yes, sir, it doesn't come down.
Now, Favor, let's forget about that. Yes, thank God you're fine now. Favor, how would you do this question?
It will be like a simple interest question, be 50,000 for the interest and the rate. So we're going to look for the principal. So
You have to look for what?
the principal. Huh?
No.
No, I mean selling the S. They gave us I, that's interest. Interest.
They didn't give us interest, Favor.
They not give. They said
Favor,
not find their interest in 8 years.
Favor, look at the question again. When they see from the question, they said a trader borrowed 50,000. That 50,000 is the principal. Let me make it clear. The principal is simply the amount of money that you start with in the transaction. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It could either be that they will say the person borrowed it, or the person deposited it, or the person invested it. Anyone, all that English is just the same thing. The money that you start with in the investment is the principal. So in this case, the principal is what? 50,000. Is that
Yes,
okay?
yes,
Now,
sir.
we now go on to the next one. It says if the rate of interest, this is where I'm interested in, because the rate is usually 5% per annum. But look at what they said here. They did a twist because they want to test your understanding. They said 5% per every 6 months. And we all know that 6 months is half of a year, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that means that we cannot solve this question the way we solve normal simple interest questions. No, we have to solve it taking into consideration that rate of interest that is 5% per every 6 months. Now, how are we going to handle it? So this is what we're going to do. If they say per every 6 months, then that means that it will not need to get up to a year for this thing to what do you call it, to change to or to give us an interest. What that means is that another way we can do it is that we can look at that what they said there per every 6 months and convert 6 months to what?
Yes.
To a year. So if you do that, what will it now become?
6/12. That would be 1/2.
Correct. Thank you. You got that. Very correct. Accurate. So 6/12, that's 1/2. So in other words, the time in this is going to be what? You are going to multiply it by 8, but you have to put that over 2 somewhere. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's the only thing. So that means that this is how our calculation will look. Let me put it up so that you see. I hope you can still see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right. So this is how, what number was that, Seth? That was number 22.
22.
Okay. All right. So remember, principal is what? 50,000. So I'm starting by writing 50,000.
50,000 times 5
Yeah.
times 8.
50,000 times what?
times 6. I mean times 5 times 8.
Times 5 times what?
Times 8. Then
Times
we'll do
8.
it
Okay.
over 100 times 1.
Over 100.
Yes, sir.
Times what?
Times 1 times 2.
No. Why are you saying times 1 times 2?
Times 2.
Just say times 2. That times 2, the 2 that is under there is taking care of that, per annum thing when you converted it from 6 months to a year, which is half. So let's now see how it's going to be. Are you
0
ready?
cancel 0.
Exactly.
2 zeros cancel the 2 zeros.
Yes. What next?
Then we'll do 2 in 8. 2 in.
Okay. Of course, you can do 2 in 8 or you can do 2 in 500. Anyone you want.
That's what I wanted to say.
Anyone. Both of you will be correct if you do it. So, yeah. So what are we left with? 500 times 5 times 4, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now, do you know that it's possible that somebody can forget the 5? But please don't make that mistake. Don't be that somebody. Okay. So let me even show you the best way you can do it. You can say 500 times 20, isn't it?
Yeah, sir.
So 500 times 20, you can tell me what the answer will be.
Our answer is going to be 10,000
Thank you. I like that. 10,000. 10,000 what?
naira.
Naira. That's the interest. Now, was it only interest that the question was interested in?
No.
What was the question? What else was the question interested in? Let's go back to the question.
Uh,
Yes. The question said, if the rate of interest is 5% per every 6 months, how much has he to pay as interest? Okay, that's all now. That's all. So it was the interest they were interested in. That's fine. So the answer is A. Yes. Faith, what happened? Faith, what happened?
Sorry, you know there's a black line in this. It's my book, so I could not be able to read the questions.
You what?
Please now. I said copy for my own. Oh, I know.
Okay, Faith, your own has that black line, right?
Yes, sir.
But the black line is not hiding the answer now. The answer is 10,000, which is A.
These are some of the questions I could not read.
Okay, I understand. And it looks like it's your own that your mom snapped and sent to me, because my own too has a black line there.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. All right. So have you written down the solution to this?
No, sir. Sir, favors in 23. Yay!
Okay. All right.
Let me favor do this one because you that answered the number 22.
So Faith, sorry, Favor, can you do number 23?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can do number 23. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Which Faith, sir? It's people that are saying that she wants to do it. Me, I can do it. I even know the answer.
Faith,
Sir?
you've already answered number 22 now.
No,
Or, well,
you
22.
answered it. You should answer it.
Okay. Okay, so who is taking on 23 for us?
Favor.
All right. Favor,
Yes, sir.
how would you do number 23?
So, since it says you are going to change it to base 10, so I'm going to do 1. We do 2. We do 1 times 2. Plus,
I think the best thing would be for us to write down the number first. Have you done that?
yes, sir.
10.
01.
Okay, 1001. Sorry.
Yes, sir. 2 base 10.
11001, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So we're going
Uh-huh.
to do 1 times
Okay.
2 plus.
Now we're starting with the one that is at the extreme right, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 times what?
1 times 2
Raised to power what?
plus. So 1 times 2 plus. Please stop here. 23 says 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So you're just writing 2, 2.
I'm right. Is it that I'm not following your method?
Yes, sir.
It's the same thing that we're talking about now. We'll get the same answer. Do you know that?
Jesus.
Check it. We'll get the same answer. What did you get as your own answer?
Then we will get to just times it by 2, and the one we said bigger said we should label it from the back. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we now times it by here. So 2 times 4 is 32 plus 16.
Did you just okay? 2 times 4
Yes.
is
Plus
what? 32.
16. Yes, sir. Plus 16. Plus
Okay.
0.
Uh-huh.
Plus 0. Plus 1.
Okay.
So our answer is going to be 32 plus 16 is 48. 48
So
plus
32 plus 16, not 16 plus.
Just be doing your own. Be doing your own. Me, I'm doing my own. Don't worry. I'll explain my own method to you. Continue.
36 plus 6, 32 plus 16 is
32 plus 16 is 48. Then plus 1 equals
Wow.
49.
You know 48
Is it the same number? Is it the
46
same question
plus,
that me and you are solving? Abi, it's another question you are solving because me, I don't know which question you are solving again. Honestly, if you ask me.
Sir,
Yeah.
this how to do it though. You know you do 2 times 4. You do 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4. I mean 2 times 2 again. That is going to be 4. 8. Then times it again.
Favor. It looks like you are the person that wants to drive us into the bush today.
Yes, me. She told us like that now. Faith is not. You want to drive yourself into the bush? No.
Faith, stop laughing. Be very, very
My answer
sincere.
is still 25.
How did you get 25?
25.
Did you follow Favor's
Thank you, sir.
method? Did you follow Favor's method?
No, I don't my own method.
That's not my method though. Not my own method.
Favor.
My own
Favor.
method is that.
Yes. Faith, go ahead.
My own method is that I will do is the same method.
Okay.
It's the same method as usual. That's how the machine is. That's how the proprietors of our two school taught us. How do we get
Yes.
the 32?
Favor. I don't have any this thing. I know that there's a second method. It's just that me, I don't really teach that method. Okay. So right now, the method has confused you because my answer and your answer are definitely not the same. And I'm very, very sure about my method. Okay. And you can see it agrees with, I don't know what Faith did, but
Now,
It
I
takes.
said that is the same way I usually do my
Sit down well.
That is the same way I
Okay,
usually work.
great.
Do like this.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so
I
can I
got to
explain my own method? Can I go ahead and explain my method?
Yes, I feel like she should explain to you.
All right. So please just listen. I always tell you people, it's good to know more than one method to do something, but don't go and make a mistake and forget how any of those methods works. Because once you do that, you have set yourself up for trouble. Now, look at my method. My method is simple. Just write out the number. Look at how I wrote out the number. Take the one that's at the extreme right, multiply it by the base, in this case 2, raised to power what? 0. And we know anything raised to power 0 is 1, isn't it? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir.
So that's why I have this
Yes,
one
sir.
here. Okay. Then, of course, you know, all the ones that are going to be multiplied by 0, they will give you 0. So we just ignore them. Now, look at when you're going towards the left, be increasing the power of 2 by 1. Look at it. Look at it. The next one is 2 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power 2. So that means the 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 and the 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is what? 0. So you can ignore them. But look at the next one. Is 1 times 2 raised to power what? 3. And 2 raised to power 3 is what? 8. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The next thing you now have is the last one, which is 1 times 2 raised to power 4, which is what? 16. By the time you add 16 plus 8 plus 1, you get 25. Did we get that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so please write this down. Let's do another class exercise so that we'll reinforce this. So this is what you will do for your classwork. And it's only one I'm going to give you because of time.
Oh.
So you're supposed to change this number to base 10. So go ahead and do it.
This is 1 plus this is 0. Two, 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Has anybody finished?
No, sir.
It looks like the question too tough?
No, not at all.
Okay. Yes, anybody done?
Yes, sir. Yes.
We're still not done.
The office is done.
Faith is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Favor, how about you? Okay. Favor,
Sir.
can we move on? Okay. All right. So what answer did you get, Faith?
31 base 10.
Favor, what did you get?
57.
57. Okay, let's do it. Let's get it right. Don't worry. You see, let me let you know something. Base 2 numbers and base 10 numbers. This, in fact, anything base is not difficult at all. In fact, you will find that it is a very, very simple thing if you just understand the basics. If you look at this thing very well, what I just did for you people in number 23 is nothing different from what you know as 100 tens and units. Look at it very well. 100 tens and units. That's is the same principle, exactly the same thing. The units is like 10 raised to power 0, which is 1. Tens is 10 raised to power 1, which is 10. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Hundreds, is it not 10 raised to power 2?
Yes, sir.
So why the only thing is that because we're not calling it 100 tens and units, it now looks confusing, but it's not. It's the same idea, the same principle. And the moment you understand that, in fact, this thing will just be like a walk in the park. When I say a walk in the park, it means it will be so easy. It will look as if, it's something that is that Treasure can do. All right, so let's do it. So first off, I'm going to do the same thing I did. I start with what? 2 raised to power 0. So I've already written my 2 raised to power 0 there. Okay. The next one is for 0, isn't it? That's 2 as 2 raised to power what? Or you join me as I'm doing it. 2 raised to power what?
2
Favor, I don't see you showing interest in
raised to
this thing.
power 1.
Thank you. 2 raised to power 1. All right, the next one is what? 2 raised to power what?
2.
Thank you. Please take note. I always started from the right-hand side to the left. If not, if you don't do it like that, you will make mistake. The next one is what? 2 raised to power
2 raised to power 3 raised to power 3.
Now, even you see, did you see that even for the ones of the 0, I'm still doing them, even though I know that I'll throw them away at the end. Just do them. Yes, 2 raised to power 4. Then the next one is 2 raised to power 5, isn't it?
Yes.
And then finally, what was the last one? 2 raised to power what?
6.
6. Okay. All right, so let's go. Now, 2 raised to power 6 is equal to what?
36.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? 2 raised to power 6, is it 36?
No.
2 raised to power 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 in 6 places. Did you do exactly that? Because me, I know that 2 raised to power 5 is 32. I just know it's standard. So if I multiply another 2 by 32, I'm afraid I cannot get 36. Did you get that? So 2 raised to power 6 is what? Correct yourself.
12.
12. 2 raised to power 6 is what?
12.
Oh my God. Oh
64.
Oh my God. Did I just hear 12? I'm going to ask that you be moved back to class 2. Do you want to go back to class 2?
No.
Then don't make that kind of mistake again in class. Okay, please. Even after I told you that 2 raised to power 5 is 32. How will 2 raised to power 6 be smaller than 2 raised to power 5? Is it possible? No. So that's 64. Please, I'm begging you, don't make that mistake again. 2 raised to power 6 is not the same thing as 2 times 6, please. So it's 64. So in other words, I can go ahead and write my 64 there. What next? Plus what? 2 raised to power 5, already giving you the answer. Is what? 32. 2 raised to power 4, ignore it because you are multiplying by 0. 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is what? But just for an exercise, hold on. Just as an exercise, 2 raised to power 4 is what? 16, isn't it?
Yeah.
2 raised to power 4 is 16. 2 raised to power 3 is what?
8.
Thank you very much. It's 8. Then the next one is 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is what?
2 raised to power 2 is 4.
Thank you. Now, I think this is where most people make their mistakes, their first mistakes. They think that because 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then that means it's as if you're just multiplying the 2 and the power. No. Okay, please don't ever make that mistake again in for the rest of your life. Don't ever make that mistake. 2 raised to power 2 is not because it's not because of the 2 down multiplied by the 2 on top. No. All right, let's move ahead. The next one, 2 raised to power 1 is what?
2 raised to power 1 is 2 raised to power 1 is obviously 2, but we're
Obviously
dividing
2.
with the
Yes.
but
Yes,
there
it's
is
obviously
0.
2. And the reason why it is obviously 2 is because 1, the power there says 2 just one time, isn't it? So 2 itself, standing alone, is simply what? 2. So we ignore it. Why? Because it's multiplying by 0. And then finally, the last one is what? 2 raised to power 0, which is what?
2 raised to power 1.
No, 2 raised to power 0, which is what?
0. That will
Eh?
be
I say in
2 raised to
mathematics.
by 0. That is size
2
that
raised
is 0. So now
Two
we
raised-
people by 1. They said anything that's rounded to 0 is supposed to be
one.
added.
Please,
One.
2 raised to power 0 is 1, not 0. I'm begging you.
I said the raised to power it will
Why are you
be
canceling what I've written now? Who painted my this thing with pink? I be purple or magenta.
I saw the mistakenly wrote on and I
Oh yeah,
knew.
can we add this thing up? You will see that there's no way you people can be correct. Any of you. Oh yeah,
I
add it
got
up.
it.
You got what? Add this thing up, Joe. What did you get?
That's it. And now I did it again. I did another one.
You
But in
did
my
another one.
own method.
Okay.
My own method. And it gave me the answer.
Please, can you add this thing up for me?
It is 111.
100 and what?
11 base 10.
Okay,
I
let
mean
me add it up
1,
myself.
1, 1. I mean
32 plus
111
8.
base 10.
32. Hold on now. Let me finish. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 plus 1 is 45. So 64 plus 45. 64 plus 45 is what I have. 64
64.
plus 45. Because I can already see that the 5 plus 4 is 9. So it's 109. I don't know how you got that answer, Favor. I'm pretty sure that it's wrong.
A mistake.
Mistake.
Yes, I did not add.
Mistake. Which kind of mistake is that? This is addition. No? Are you telling me that you are making mistakes adding?
No, because it was too small. So I mistakenly added another number.
Do we have any questions on what I've done so far?
No. So I have a question.
Is this thing not simple enough? I don't know why you people are having problems with it.
I have a question.
What is the question?
The question is that my own method is not working that 23. Now my own method is the one that is working in this classwork.
That is not a question, number one. Favor. You are still trying to go with a method that I can boldly tell you that I don't. Number one, I don't follow. There are some methods that I don't follow, and I think I do it on purpose because sometimes it has either introduced confusion when I'm trying to teach someone else, or it has confused me myself. So I just stick to the method that I know will not confuse me.
So the thing has confused the ones.
So I'll just advise that you stick with this.
I've been sticking with that method.
That's the only advice I'm going to give you.
Seriously.
If you keep on insisting on using your own method, I can't.
Our own method is a proprietary method.
It's your what?
Proprietary method.
But see, what I'm trying to say is that it seems like you are there's something that you did not get about that method. That's what I'm saying. And because I would have said that you should show me the method so that I can even look at it. But as it is now, we don't really have that time. So maybe what will happen is you go when you get back to school, ask her to re-explain the method to you. So can we move on to 24 now?
Make it easy, sir.
Thank you. What is 1/3 of 9 times a half of 10? How did you do this number, Faith?
Hey, Favor, do you know
sir. Half of 10 is 5. 9 times 5 is 45.
Half of 10 is what?
Half of 10 is 5.
Okay.
Now sit down where
Okay.
I agree with you.
After
half of 10 is 5.
And this also says of 9 times up. A up of 10. So we'll do 9 times 5. That is 45. We'll do 1 over 3 times 45 over 1. 3 can go in 45. That is 15.
Okay. Okay. You got 15, Abby?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
just forgot to me. I don't know anything about
So
this.
you got C as your answer. All right. So let me do it in a different way. So they said, what is 1 over 3 of 9? So that's how I'm starting my own. 1 over 3 of 9. That's times 9. Okay, obviously 9 over 1.
Sit down
Right?
well. Sit down on your own chair.
Then 1 over 3 times 9 will give me what? 3, isn't it? Favor,
Sir.
you did not do it and you're busy playing.
No, Faith is one that is moving to me and she's sitting down on my chair.
Instead of you to leave anything that will distract you and pay attention, you are busy jostling over chair space. So 1 over 3 of 9, then half of 10, like you said, half of 10 is 5. So half of 10, half times 10 is 5. Okay. So like I said, the good thing about some methods or having different methods is what? You do
We
what?
see what?
You
I
get
don't
the answer. So 3 times 5 will give you what?
3 times 5 is 15.
That's going to give us what? 15. So I think I go with that method. Okay, so that's okay. Any of
So
them
where did you draw that X?
that big X is the one in the question that said times. You understand?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
The other two X's are off. The first one, 1 over 3 of 9. Second one, half of 10. Okay. All right. Can we go to number 25?
No, sir. Sir, I'm not even missing anything.
Why?
I said you should move on, sir.
Please write. Oh. I am waiting quickly. Faith, are you writing?
I'm done.
Favor,
I'm
are
just
you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's go to number 25. What does number 25 say? Favor, are you going to be able to answer it this time?
35.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Write what? 0.0025 as a fraction. So what would you do? Favor.
So we'll do. So count how many zeros. That is 1, 2, 3. That will be 25 over 1,000. Girls, I wanted to tricky that.
Eh? What did you just say, Nana? What did you just say, Nana? Favor. I should count how many zeros that are there. Was it me
No,
that taught you that method?
no.
Obviously, I'm very, very sure it's not me. Oh yeah, correct yourself quickly. See, this is what I usually tell you people. After our class, go back and look at your notes. Look at how Favor is looking now, as if I've not taught you with this.
Sir, we'll do 0.00. I mean 0.0025 over 100.
Madam Faith, you're the one that wants to take us inside the bush now, Abi. Well done. Well done. Both of you have tried very, very well. Very, very disappointing. I'm very, very disappointed about that. Very, very.
So I don't
Capital
put
V,
anybody inside bush.
very, very disappointed. This is the method I taught you people. Please listen. Just don't protest. Just listen. The method I taught you was first that decimal point, see it as if it's 1. You put your 1 under. Then you draw a line. You can draw a line. I don't know how you want to. You can draw it in your book. Then after the 1, put 0 under every number after the decimal point. Is that not the method I taught you? Is that not the method I taught you? They are quiet.
So I'm sorry, but I got the answer correct in my.
You got which answer? If you got the answer, would I be doing this thing again? You got the answer. Story.
I got the answer inside my book. I would have got
Story.
I got the
You're just telling me stories. If you got the answer, would I be doing it again? You're not, it's like you don't understand what I'm saying. I'm trying to give you
so I got the answer in my book.
You got the answer. So what you're trying to tell us now is that you got the answer, but then you decided to drive us inside the bush. Is that what you're trying to say?
I don't know that. Anybody into bush. Driving and everybody inside the bush. I can see
that is exactly what you are doing, and we refuse to follow you inside that bush.
Me too.
25 in itself is 1. 25 in 100 is what? 4. So we put a 0 there. We put a 0 there. 1/400, and 1/400 is the final answer, because they said that we should write it as a fraction.
No, they said no. They don't say you should write it as the smallest. They say you should write it as a fraction, not the smallest fraction.
So what did you now do?
No answer like that in the book. No answer like that in the book.
Oh, I see. No problem now. So which one was the answer? That's D, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
The answer is D. Is this your D? You see?
See, is it C or D? You are still going to go and mess your work up, Abby. Is it C or D?
So I don't hear you very well.
Eh?
I know hear you which option you said, and the volume is on 100.
Please, it's D. Just look at it, for goodness sake. It's not C, D.
We were saying C. C equals C. So is it no?
Is it not what?
I want to drive us into bush again.
Is it not what now?
That's where you want to drive us inside bush now. I'm still confused.
Please do this one as exercise. 0.02. Convert it to fraction quickly.
Let's see Indiana.
All right.
So which question did you want to give us?
Look at it there. 0.02 and 52.55.
Say move your leg. Move it. Your leg. Which move it now? Move your body.
Oh yeah, I don't expect this question to take you more than 1 minute to do. Who is done?
So should it convert it into fraction because you give us two decimals?
Yes. Convert it into fraction.
One is I should convert it. Okay.
Is somebody done?
So paper is number 2.
Paper is in number 2.
$52.55. So number 2, should we change it to fraction or should change it to whole number?
Both of them are to be changed to fraction.
Okay. So you wrote 52.55 and 55. Is it 52.55?
After all I have taught you about calling numbers, how to call numbers that have decimal points in them, you are still telling me 52.55.
I mean 52.55.
Better.
Sit down well. I should not ask question again. Yeah. Sit down well. That's why you're not doing what of it.
Oh yeah. Cannot afford to spend more time. Favor is done. Okay. All right. So let's do the first one together.
I think we still calculating. These two simple questions.
Faith is still thinking.
Yes, sir. So I'm done.
Why would Faith still be thinking? Faith, this is not. It's not a big deal.
Thinking. The is not no. Not leave me alone. I will leave you.
Now, let me show you how to do it. This thing is very, very simple. Just remember that the decimal point is what? 1. Just remember that. 1. Put your 1 there. Then put 0 under all the other digits after the decimal point. So that's going to be what? That's going to be what?
2 over 100.
Is that not the simplest thing ever?
Yes, sir. I got it.
And 2 over 100 is what? Is 1 over 50, is it not?
Yes, sir. So can't we know?
Can't we do what?
Well, sure, we got it. If you got it, sure.
Okay, so let's do the second one. The second one is 52.55. Again, remember the decimal point is like 1. Put a 0 under the 5. Put a 0 under the second 5. So that's going to be
5,250 over 100. Correct.
So 5,255. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Over 100.
Sorry.
I got it.
5,255 over 100. Yes. If you don't want to take it to the lowest terms, that is what it will be. But if you want to take it to its lowest terms, what will it become? Who can tell me?
It will become. You still do not know it.
Yes, it will become what?
To become the 5,225 will become 100.
Okay, so look at see what you can do, eh? Do you know that you can say 100 into 52,000 5,000, sorry, 5,255. Do you know you can do that?
Yes, sir.
I know, but you don't want to do that. You probably want to just say use 5 and break it down, which is still okay. If you use 5 and break it down, you are still going to be fine. If you do that, you will come up with an answer. But let me equally show you that there's another way that you can do it. Now, look at how I want to do it. I can say 100 in itself is what?
1
time. Now, 100 in 5,255. Now, I want you to imagine 100 in 5,200 is how many times? 100 in 5,200 is how many times?
1,500.
100 in 5,200 is how many times?
It will be 52.
Correct. It will be 52 times. So that's going to be 52 times. Now, because there's a remainder, because 55 is not up to 100, that 55 is going to be a remainder. Do we understand?
Yes.
So that's going to be 55 over what? 100. So if you now want to break down, you can now say 5 in 55, 11, and 5 in 100 is what? 20. So you can say that that's your final answer. 52 whole number, 11 over 20. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Please, this thing that I thought, in fact, how many things have you disappointed me on today alone? Base and what do you call it? Decimal points. Those are not hard topics so at all. So please, you guys should not allow these mistakes that you need to do to yourself. And how will you do that? By remembering what I've taught you. And there's no way you remember if you just write it down, close your book, and go and sleep. It's not going to work like that. People need to understand, though. Let it not even be the urgency of the mock exam, but that should even inspire you to do more work on yourself. Okay? I don't expect you to be if you have to tell yourself, what should I do to study harder now? That's what you should be thinking about. Okay, there are some things that you should not be doing again. I don't expect you to be playing too many times with treasure. That play, you should cut it down. Look for a way to be reading more, read more, read more, read more.
Sir, we used to watch maths online.
What did you say?
I said we used to watch maths online.
You used to watch what online?
Maths.
Maths.
Watching it.
Listen to me. Watching it is not the same thing as solving it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No. We don't know. They should give us some questions. They usually give us some questions about the mock exam.
Okay, great. I like that. I'm in support of that. But what I'm trying to say is the time.
I will solve it in one book.
Yes, you need to also go back and look at the things that you've learned so that they will stay with you. If not, you will forget them. Do you know how I felt like when I asked Favor this question and she was looking and she was like, number one, she gave me a method that something that I've never ever said. What did she even say? That I should count how many zeros are there. The thing shocked me beyond words. Never ever heard that in my whole life.
Yeah. So you say you have never ever heard it in your whole life?
Yes.
Up till now.
That's why I want to ask, who even taught you that method? And I'm very, very sure nobody has ever taught you that method. So the thing is that you have forgotten these basic things, and you can't forget the basics. Let's take a 5 minutes break. We'll come back at no. We're taking a 3 minutes break. We're back here at 10:45. Agreed?
Yes.
You better use your 3 minutes well.
Is it 3 minutes or 5 minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
And the more you are talking, the 3 minutes is going. Great, go and use the restroom. Okay, move around. Bye.
So we're back. It's 10:45.
Okay. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the second half?
Yes, sir. 26 is the simplest and it's very short method my daddy taught me.
Are you sure it's the simplest?
Yes, sir. Arrange in
Okay.
descending order. We do 4 in 1 is what? 0 points. We now add 0 to.
So how did you do this question? Talk to me.
My daddy taught me. That will take a number 1/4. Like how they
Did
give
you
us.
use LCM method?
Yeah, I'm using the LCM method. No, when I was using the LCM method, my daddy said no, that's going to take time. He taught me this easier one. 4 in 1 is what? 0 remain there. 0 points. You add 0 to 10. And 4 in 10 is what? 2 remain there. 2 remain there. 2.
Okay.
So, and also then, and they also gave us 5/8.
Okay. So Faith, I want to ask you a question.
Simple question.
This method that you're using, did you time yourself when you were using it?
Sir, yes, sir. This question it will take only.
It will take what?
10 seconds to do. Jesus, it's a lie. It's not a lie. Go and ask daddy. This in 8 in. So I see. It doesn't pass the 10 seconds already. Okay. I want to do my own slow before I can miss something. 8 in 50. 8 in 50 is see, you cannot know. So I just a minute.
Okay. So while you are doing it, right? Favor.
Sir.
Are you? Can you show me your own method?
Okay, sir. So 8 in 50 is 6 remain there. 2. They are seeing now. So 7/9 again. Come on. This is tricky. You see no 0 points. Something in 9 is 9 in 70 can't go, but we have 7.
Did you just say 9 in 70 cannot go?
It can go, but there will be a remainder. 7 remain there. 7. So people have seen an answer. Also,
Okay.
people have seen an answer very fast. 1/3.
All right.
Equals to. We still add 0 points. We'll add 0 in 10 is 3 remain there 1. Sir, should not let me explain. No. So you can see this one should go first, second, third, and fourth.
Okay.
See, they said biggest to smallest is 7.
So
No,
yeah.
7/9. 7/9. Calm down. 7/9. Our answer is going no. 7/9. 7/9. 6/8. 5/8. 1/2. 1/3. And also 1/4. That is B. Sir, this is my own. This is my own correction. The collection
Okay,
is we'll look for the LCM, that's 72. So we'll do it. So
74 in 72, that's 18. 8 in 72, 45. 9 in 72, 56. But what I'm seeing by the numerator. So do 3 in 72. Then we times it by the numerator, that's 1, that's 24. So we'll range it accordingly. So it will be the biggest is 56 over 72, 45 over 72, 24 over 72,
Okay.
13 over 72. Then we'll do our answer 7 over 9, 8, 5 over 8, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. What did I be? But what did I say? Look at how many 60. Use decimal. Decimal is not about decimal. How much is decimal? What is this? That is that taught me. This thing is you should continue the you should continue 4. You should continue my own or simpler than writing using the LCM. Jesus.
So let me say something, okay? Now, Faith, your method, right? Your method will help somebody who is practicing learning how to convert fractions to decimals. However, for this particular question, I would really advise that you stick to the LCM method. You know why? You know why? Hold on, let me finish now. Which one is no? Let me finish. Let me ask you a question, Faith. Faith, have you ever been in an exam? You knew all the questions. All the questions were easy questions. But guess why you failed it? You failed it because you did not finish. You did not solve enough numbers for you to get a pass mark. Tell me, how will you feel? Will you feel good? Just be sincere to yourself. Oh. I just want you to objectively look at this yourself. Forget that this is not about saying that Favor is correct, Faith is wrong. No, it's not about that. I want you to objectively look at it yourself. Be very, very sincere to yourself. Forget about whether Favor, you know this method, you know both of the methods. So it's not about whether you're right or wrong. Forget about that. Objectively think about it. Will you like to fail an exam because you ran out of time, not because you don't know the questions, because you ran out of time? Will you like that?
The LCM is longer and this one is shorter.
Really? Okay. I'll leave you to think about that yourself. Let's move on to number 27. Favor, I think number 27 is something you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write 1991.
It's also Midamilere that also taught me this one.
In Roman numerals. 1991.
MCM. XCI.
MCM.
MCM. XCI.
XCI. Okay. Yes, XC is 90 and then I is 1. Correct. I like that. 1991. Perfect. I like that. Correct. So you people are good with Roman numerals. That's impressive. Okay. So, and I'm very, very sure you got good with Roman numerals. Why? Because of practice. So
yes,
that same attitude that you put into learning Roman numerals, apply it to other things. Okay. And you see that you will not have any problems. Okay. So All right, okay, so now I think, did you notice that? I think these are the only ones that you people gave me. You people did not give me from 28 to 34, right?
From 28 to 34.
You did not give me that one. So we're ending it here. We're going back to that one that your mother snapped for us earlier, that other day. Do you remember? Do you remember?
I might remember a bit. Yes.
You remember, right?
I might a bit forget, so sometimes me.
Okay, so that question, let me ask a question. From number 27 to number 34, did you solve that one too? Did you solve that one in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. You guys did not snap that question. I don't want you to go and start disturbing your mom now to snap anything. Let's just go to the one that she snapped for us earlier.
28.
Okay.
I can read the question, sir.
You want us to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All
right.
of it.
Number 28.
It says, if there are 50 members of the class, how much will each member pay?
Okay, so number 28 and number 29 have information, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's the information? Can you give us the information?
Information says all primary 6 pupils are to buy class copy of mathematics textbook costing 3,500. Use this information above to answer 28 to 29.
28 and 29. Okay, so tell me how you would have done that number 28. What was the question on number 28? What's the question in number 28 now?
The question says, if there are 50 members of the class, how much will each member pay? 70
Okay.
naira.
70 naira. Okay, so you divided, right?
Divided by 3,500 divided by 50 is 70.
Excellent. Okay, what does number 29 say?
If each member is levied 215 naira, how many members will contribute to the money? Very simple. You can calculate it. C 14.
So how did you get it now? Don't tell me that. I told you that thing. Don't tell me the answer. Tell me how you got the answer.
So, sir, we'll do this. We'll do 250 divided by 50.
250 divided by what again? Is it not? Are you still dividing or multiplying?
You said divide. Okay, yeah, so I'm multiplying first.
Okay, so go ahead. After multiplying, what do you do next?
Madam, you're not talking. And our answer is 300.
Okay. All right. Give me a minute.
And give me a minute. A minute. See the way you are dancing. See the way you are dancing. These are what to dance when I'm going to about. Listen, that people will laugh at you. This has to dance. Is it like this?
All right. Can we go to number 30 now?
Yes, sir. Yeah? No,
Yes,
no,
now.
29. 29, we'll do 250 times 50. That is 300, as I said.
Okay.
So after we do 300,
Hmm.
after we do 300, we'll do 300 divided by 50.
Okay.
And that's
And that will give you what?
it will give us 6. 300. I mean,
Is it 300 divided?
200. 300. Okay, 300 divided by 50. No, here 50. 20. This thing. 1. And this 5 in 30 was 6. 5 in 5.
Okay, so now it's obvious you don't sound sure of what you're doing again.
So
You want
I'm
us to go through
sure.
it again?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yes, sir. So I'm coming. Let me be sure. I'm not sure. I'm sure. Leave me alone. You don't leave somebody alone. Oh my shame. Everything. Oh my shame. What the oh my shame got to do to you? Okay, 0. Okay, so I'm sorry. I made an error.
Okay.
The error.
So what was the mistake that you made?
I mistakenly said 250 times 50 is 300 instead of 12,500.
Okay, better. So now that you have the correct thing, what are you supposed to do next?
I'm stupid now. Okay. Oh. Stop. Yeah, sorry.
Yes.
Why is this stopping me? Try that nonsense. Sir, don't you know my phone? You little rascal. I'm sure.
So
The
favor.
answer is
Sorry,
15. I'm sure it's 15. It's 15.
it's
Sir.
15. Okay, so this is one of the issues that I have with me not having the copy of the question, but it's fine. So what we'll do is this. Let's go to the one that we have a copy of the question, okay? So because of reading it, it's usually demanding, and sometimes I may miss some details. So let's just go to the one that I have the what do you call it? The picture for it. Okay, so I'm switching to a different color to make it
No, sir. Use blue. Use blue. Yeah, yellow.
blue.
Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow.
So the problem with yellow is that yellow does not show well. The closest to yellow I can use that shows well is orange.
So you can still use orange. Don't use it. Use orange. Use blue. Orange. Blue. Orange. Blue. Orange. Blue. Orange. Blue. Orange. Blue. Orange. Blue. Orange.
Okay, the way it is now, it looks like we're going to have World War III here. So let me just do red. It's not blue, it's not orange. So red is my color, okay? All right, so that we don't have another war here. Okay, so I'm going to the one that, so do you remember the question that your mom sent to us? Look at it. Let me open it for you so that you see it. That one that we were doing, that we stopped at, it was around number 10.
10.
Do you remember this question?
Me. Sir, this one. Is this one?
Sorry. My bad.
You're
Sorry,
bad.
this is the one I meant. This. Do you remember this question?
Yeah.
You remember? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
You remember it?
Which
Do you
number?
remember it?
2025.
So that's the page number 336. I have turned to 336 now.
So I finished.
We finished it now.
You and who finished it?
I know
didn't
I will
finish.
stop at number 8. Number 8.
We finished it, sir.
We did not finish it, oh.
I've
We
not
didn't finish
finished
it.
it though.
We've not finished it.
I can bring from our book. We finished it.
We didn't.
We
We didn't
finished.
finish it.
This is where
We
we
didn't.
stopped though. Number 8.
So even though we don't stop at number 8, we
No,
stopped.
we stopped at number 12.
No. It's 15.
Number 12.
No, it's not 12 or it's 9. I mean 8. We stopped at though. Yeah. I can bring the book to you. It's 8.
No, it's madam.
That's why we brought this 7. That's it. And
Can you check your book? We did this thing now. You people have forgotten.
oh, sorry, it's 12. We stopped at
12.
it's 12.
50, find the mean of above this thing. So we did it now. We're trying to do it, and you said that you had another class. That we could not do the 15. Yes, we did not do 15. This 15 like this, we did not do it.
So now, do you now remember where we stopped? It was at number 12. Check your book. It was at number 12.
So
It's number 12.
is no, that's not where we stopped.
It's 12. We stopped at.
12, that's not where we stopped.
It was number 12.
No.
Look at number 11 now. You cannot tell me you forgot number 11. Change 1.25 to a fraction in its lowest term. How will you forget that kind of question?
So I can't. So I remember change 75% to decimal. Remember
75.
we changed it to decimal, or we
You
did.
you changed 75 to decimal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir. Decimal. Yeah.
Oh my shingle.
You changed 75% to decimal.
Yes, sir. That's what we did. We know.
Oh, yeah, now, what is 75% in decimal? Go ahead, show me.
Show me. This is
Yes, I'm waiting for you. Show me now.
75 over. No, we did the vanish.
Can you erase these annotations that are not looking clear? Oh yeah,
Okay.
show me 75% as decimal. Quickly.
I will say 75 as decimal. I write my 75 numbers over what? 100. Something can go. This will be 20. Jesus. Let me finish. Okay.
As you're doing it, I want you to show me, be explaining it. Oh, is this the method I would have taken?
No.
I'm pretty sure it's not.
We'll do 5. We said that we'll do 5 in 100. That is this answer here. 20. 15 over 2. What is this nonsense?
Continue now.
And this 15. Go and blow that in. So this 15, you said that we will divide 75 with 5. It's going to be 15. And even though we do 5 and 15 is 3. And then this 5 and 20 is 4. So our answer is 3 over 4. Remember that you were explaining that.
It's 3 over 4. Listen to yourself. It's 3 over 4 in decimal.
What is
It's 3 over 4 in decimal.
Hey.
Well done.
I mean, sir, when you
Well
explained that, you now said that.
That bush that you want to enter, we're not following you.
No, so you're not explaining. I'm not yet finished. Even though this one is too long. So you now say, and that's you now say that. Okay, leave me. I know my shingle. You will now.
I'll not say what.
You will now. This 3 is 0. Put your point. Bring your 0 here again. In 7 and also 5. 0.75. That's the answer.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me show you my own method. They say you should change. Please just listen, oh, just listen. And now, because it's not me. I'm very, very sure.
Nonsense.
I'm not the one. It's not that she wrote nonsense, but I'm not the one that taught you that method. Just look at my own method. 75 over 100, right?
Yes.
Now, is 100 not a power of 10? Answer me.
Yes.
Is 100 a power of 10 or not? Good.
Yes.
So why do you want to waste time to go and start dividing something that can already help you to do the job perfectly? From your mental maths, whenever you divide by powers of 10, what did I tell you? The decimal point moves to the left according to the number of zeros, isn't it? Isn't it? So if the decimal point in 75 comes immediately after the 5 and it moves to the left, how many times? 2 times. What will 75 become? Will it not become 0.75?
0.7.
Did I divide anything?
Nothing.
Did you see me dividing anything?
No, nothing.
I just purposely use this question to test you. Obviously, I have not answered this question with you guys. You are the one that who came up with that method. I've not answered this particular one with you.
So you have
Please,
answered it.
write it in your book.
Which lie you want to lie again?
Let me be lying.
Please write it in your book. Quickly, quickly, quickly. We don't have time. Write it in your book. I'm not even sure we did number 12 together. I'm not sure about that. So we have to do
number 12 together. Remember?
So we not do 12, we stopped at 11.
Which 11 now?
So let me quickly do number 12. Number 12 is a ratio question, right?
It's a ratio. Oh.
It's a ratio question. And it says what? It says Ogaga and Ochuko are to share 1,000 naira. It does not matter right now. It doesn't matter right now. What matters is the question. They are to share 1,000 naira in the ratio 2:3. The question now is, how much will Ogaga take home if he has to pay half of his share as debt? Now, please take note. This is not just a simple ratio question. You have to think, because they are now giving you something extra. They said Ogaga is owing somebody something. So from what he has is what he will use to pay his debt, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So please, I need you to follow me. Who is still annotating on the screen? I hope there's nobody annotating. Please, I don't want to see any annotation. Please.
That was
distract
before.
you. And I've told you. Favor, please delete all the annotations. Thank you.
Good job.
All right. So I'm still seeing an annotation there.
Remember that I wrote the annotation. Sure, me, I wrote annotation now.
So who did?
Not me. It is here. I will slap you now.
Continue slapping it.
Please just pay attention. They shared 1,000 naira, right? In the ratio of what? 2:3. Who took 2? Who took 3? Yes, I'm waiting for an answer. Who took 2 and who took 3, according to the question?
So,
Faith, you are no longer paying attention. Who took 2 and who took 3?
Who took 2? Who took 3? It is who took 2? It is Okoro.
Yes, I'm waiting. You people have not answered my question. Who took 2 and who took 3?
Who took 3?
Who took 3 is who took 3 is Okuchu.
What's about that?
Okuchu.
My goodness, see, if at this point people cannot even tell who took what, then
no, they have not told us who took it.
What do you mean they've not told you? Read the question.
So,
look at the question now.
The person that is doing that person that we take 2. The person that is
that.
No.
From where did you get that kind of reasoning from?
No. Sir, Ogaga took 2 and
And Ochuko took what?
3.
Thank you. Please, oh, people should not make me afraid, though. I'm telling you, don't make me afraid at all.
So how do you not know that one person took 2, one person took 3?
Look at the question now, madam. Look at the question.
Look at it.
The question said Ogaga.
You took half.
Just look at the question. The question has already told you all that. The question doesn't have to tell you Ogaga took 2, Ochuko took 3. Look at the arrangement. Who came first? Who came second? Just arrange it like that. Because Ogaga came first before Ochuko in the order that they came. That's how you arrange it. Is it clear now, Faith?
Faith.
Is it clear? Please.
Yes,
that kind of question, that kind of question was disturbing. No, please don't ask it again. Ha.
Faith.
So the first person that was mentioned was who? Ogaga, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So because of time, I'm just going to write OG. And the second person that was mentioned was who? Ochuko. So I'm going to write OC.
OC.
For his own, short for his own. Okay. Now, the question is this. They say, how much will Ogaga take home if he has to pay half? So the first thing we're going to do is to find out what Ogaga would have taken if he was not owing anybody, right?
Yes, sir.
Faith, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Faith, can you tell me what it is that you're doing that is taking you away, making you to be shifting like that? Because I'm noticing you're moving up and down.
Side. My book is in this other side.
Okay. All right, no problem. So let's look at what Ogaga would have taken if he was not owing anybody. So Ogaga would have taken what? 2/5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Times what? Times what? Times what now? People are quiet again. This is what I don't like. When a question is before you, you've not gotten all the facts out of the question by now.
1,000/1.
Oh, okay. Me, I refuse to be afraid. You people will pass, so whether you like it or not.
So we are
2/5 times 1,000/1 will give you what?
400.
400. Now, this is what Ogaga would have taken if he wasn't owing anybody anything. But the question told us something, that he's owing. Look at it, oh, please read it from the question so that you don't say that you did not see it. The question said, if he has to pay half of his share as debt, what is half of 400?
200.
Thank you. So if he pays 200, Ogaga pays 200 as what? Debt. How much will be left?
800.
Where did you get 800 from?
Sorry.
Where did you get 800 from? Thank you, 200. Because half of 400 is 200. So 400 minus 2. Please, the whole 1,000 does not belong to Ogaga. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So please, if he paid 200 naira as debt, okay, what does he have left? 400 minus 200 is what?
400 minus 200 is 200.
Thank you. So just write it like that.
200.
So, all right. So I think you can go ahead and write in your book. So I don't know how you're going to write this in your book. Maybe you write it as continuation of the one we did on. Let me see the day so that you can go and check it in your book. Hold on, let me check. It was on 28th of February. Can you check it in your book? Do you usually write down the date in your book?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, just write 28th of February continuation. Just write it like that. 28th of February continuation.
Hold on. Everything. Stop it. I should not clean it. Okay, so I should. I'm saying.
Please always remember that a debt is a deduction, okay? When you're owing somebody money, okay, it's a subtraction thing, isn't it?
Yes,
And God will not make us to be debtors. We will be lenders, not debtors. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. My mommy is my debtor.
So it's always sweet when you are the one that is doing the lending, not the one that is doing the borrowing.
This is how your eye. Not anything. She's not you. She's come and ask me again. She's owing me.
Okay. Tell me when you are done, please.
Take this stocking. Take this stocking. And make it done. You know, see.
Faith, why are you looking smaller now? Yes, answer the question. Why are you looking smaller? Are you kneeling down?
No, she doesn't want to sit down on her chair. So you said, why do I look smaller? I'm not like that. I'm not like
that too.
I'm not like
that you look shorter from here.
I can even sit here. I'm not Elizabeth. Sit down well. That's how I mean. Sit down there. I'm squatting.
Yeah, squatting. Okay, I understand. It's fine. Want to move around.
But I don't know why I like to squat. Continue the squat.
But don't squat too much, or if not, your knees will hurt.
Yes. Yes, that happened to me. Yes, sir. Sir, if you are in our school in grade 5, they will punish us that will squat. When people was not there, right? Everybody was saying that they wish that people was there that should collect punishment too. Yeah? Yes. What did you do? They did frog jump. No, they were squatting. All of us in the class were squatting. Hey, we did frog jump. Hey God, sir, I'm not finished.
Sorry.
Yeah, and you're shouting like shit. I'm sorry. Sir, you can hear. Yeah, Faith said that I'm shouting like a chicken. I mistakenly said chicken.
Faith, of all things to compare your sister with.
Yeah, I cannot compare me.
It's a chicken that you chose.
Sir, people usually say, me I usually shout like goat. Yes. Where did I say it? I not say anything, no.
So, Favor, you're the one that started now.
It's not me that say anything, no. Who that say anything? No, when you were in the past, who will say I'm shouting like goat? You. My eyes. No, I will bring evidence.
I don't even know what to say, sir. One person is saying that the other person is shouting like a goat. The other person says the other person is shouting like a chicken. Okay.
It's Faith that started it. It's your Favor. People say that you want to call me chicken.
What do you call that kind of thing? Comedy relief.
It's by Madam Faith Comedy. No. It's still a bit. People see do the brown. No, it's not brown. Let me see. It's only my gum. No, not about your gum. Sir, welcome back. People is not brushing my teeth very well. Our teeth is brown. I know. So you're not to call me the brown tooth. My own, I even use 3 toothbrush to brush my own in the morning.
Yes, 3 toothbrush. I use.
Sir,
Can you hear
wait,
us?
Sir, is it your internet connection or is
Yes, my
or
internet
is the
connection.
people
Sorry
that
about
put
that.
it?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Sir, there's some people cut your wire. Oh, like every 5 minutes. Yeah, log in. I don't know.
My wire. I don't know. Do they still do wired connections for internet?
No,
we have
connect.
we have wire.
Our own wire, we have electricity now. Yeah,
There was like
yes, many people are going to house to go and charge phone. Nobody has
Yes.
light in our economy.
Oh,
For
yes.
5 weeks now.
which 5 week?
Yes, now.
Economic.
Economy. Economy.
Okay, can we go to number 14?
No.
Yes.
Don't
What
so,
is it?
so aside from I favor and treasure that we're going to have coding class again. Do you have another class?
Jesus.
Yes, I do. But that will be later in the afternoon. Why do you ask?
I don't know. One day, like I was connected. Favor was coming out from was dropping out, and I was logging in into the Zoom. I saw Mr. the host is in another meeting, and I was surprised. And I knew that,
Really?
yes.
Okay, so I know that time I was not in another meeting. No. Today
No,
or when? When was that?
done.
On Thursday. Okay, yes. That one, I think I was in another meeting. I did not have anybody before you guys on Thursday. Now you guys were the first.
But
didn't have
the thing logged us out. Yeah.
Okay. It logged you out. Okay, oh, I've written down number 14. Can you see it?
How can you guys see Faith? She's beating me.
She took my pen.
I saw how.
I
Don't mind
don't
her.
know.
I have favor. What's the
Yes,
answer to this question? Sorry, how would you solve this question, number 14?
It says find the product of 3 and 6 are 0.003.
Yes, how would you solve this question?
No, I mean 3.6 and 0.003. We'll do 3.6 plus 0.003. Then our answer is going to be.
And what?
Then our answer is going to be 3.603.
Favor.
It's it's multiplication. I did not know it. I thought it was addition.
You thought it was
And the
addition?
answer is 0. Yes, sir. So to be that
0.1.
Hey, go.
So the answer is 0.108.
Continue.
How many numbers after the decimal points do we have?
0.10. I mean 0.
We have
0.108. 0.0.
that too. How many that is going to be 4. We have 4.
We have 4, right?
Yes.
1, 2. Please write it like this in your book. 3 and what?
4.
4. So that means it's 4 together. So we're going to count from the back. 1, 2, 3, and what?
4. So I say my answer is correct. My answer is correct. This is what I want.
So it's going to be what?
0.0108.
So I don't know what Faith was saying before.
So this is what I was saying. Then you add your another 0, that's your head.
Okay, then that means you're correct. Or you write it in your book. Go ahead and write it in your book.
Slowly your mouth. No. Ready? Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can you excuse me? Sir. So I don't allow people to excuse us. She wants me to prepare. She just fighted now, and she now wants me to be prepared with the fact, and she now wants to excuse herself. I want to go. I use myself now. Use yourself. You now want me to stay in your fat. I beg, stay in your fat. You want me to stay in your fat for? Hey, I don't take that one.
Please, can you write number 14? Let's go to number 15. We don't have time, girls. We don't have time.
If you want to fight on your side, yes, don't mind that one. That one. Yeah, fighting on your laptop. With this. Because she's fighting on your head, though. Because 0.0010815. So should you stop at 15 or should continue?
See question. We'll continue till we get to 1 hour now. Has our 1 hour elapsed?
Yes.
Look at them. These girls, people are funny. People don't know. You don't know. You don't know that there's an exam in front of you. Well done. But you know to be doing like treasure. That even treasure self does not do like this self on a normal. Treasure does not behave like this.
Even though
People are doing as
I can do 3 hours and go.
Yeah, right.
Pass that exam.
Yeah, right. You can do 3 hours and you're reminding me that our time is up.
So I can it's not me. It's that I remind you. So I wanted to say something.
Be saying this something now as I'm talking, as I'm writing, because me, I cannot wait for you to be saying something. But you're not saying something. I'm writing.
Yeah, that.
What do you want to say?
When we started class, it was 9:40.
Yes. Don't worry. See, me, I have a way of knowing whenever class starts. So don't worry about it. Calm down.
3 minutes and we come to class on time. We're supposed to end by 11.
Calm down. Just calm down. The time we started will show. Can you see it? We started at 9:32. 9:32. So, and don't come and check the time because we took a break at 10:45. Do you remember? You wrote June.
You wrote June.
Yes, I just wrote something there so that Zoom will tell me the time we started. If you don't write anything, it will not tell you anything. Do you understand? So that's how I find out how we started. And don't look at that time. We took a break at 10:45. So that break will take us 1 hour from that break. Do you understand now? Do you understand? Investigators.
It's fair as the investigator. I'm not the investigator.
Both of you, leave that thing. Both of you are investigating.
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh yeah, look at number 15. Mean of 4, 6, 8, 5, and 2. What will it be equal to quickly? Oh yeah. Faith, over to you.
Sir, the mean.
Can you imagine? You're not listening. How would you do number 15?
Another name for me is average. He must say one another name for me.
Please help me tell her. Help me tell her.
Find the mean of the above
Yes,
number.
how do we find the mean for that?
We add everything and divide it by how many figures? Like
how many things are there? We add everything. So have you said adding everything?
yes, 25 divided by
Not
25 divided by 5. That
no,
is 5.
no. I would have said, are you sure of that addition that you did? 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5
plus
again,
6.
and then
I
plus
mean
2.
35. So the answer is 35.
So all that divided by what? 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, let me stretch this down a bit so that there will be space for me to write 5. Okay. So 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, correct?
That's 25.
Did I say that you are?
That's why you now said 35.
I never said 35.
No, I said Faith said 35. Which Faith now? Oh,
So Faith, are you denying that you said 35?
I'm not saying 35. It's favorite that said 35. Where did I say any 35? So we heard it from Faith. So are you sure with this? Spit. It's not my spit. I'm
So
using
the answer is 5, please. Can you write it down in your book?
Don't complete your sentence. Apply like what I do. Complete it. I'm not complete it. Lie like what I do. Not like what I do. Not what I do. Back yourself. Watch yourself. Just watch yourself.
Are you done writing?
25 over 5 equals to 5. Yes. Hey, which 5? 8. Supposed to write 8. No, better leave me. Better shift.
Yeah, I'm going to number 16. No time. Number 16.
No, 15, 16, madam. 16. That's what you just said now. 16. It says write 4,200 index.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's your classwork. Quickly.
Index.
Do it quickly, both of you. Classwork.
Okay, sir.
Sharp.
4. 4 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 6 times 35. 4 times 6 by 2 is 0. This one. 2, 15, 20.
Who has finished? That's a very, very simple question. Who has finished?
18.
Yes, I'm waiting.
0.
Has anybody finished?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's not what I want to hear.
Yes, sir.
42 is what times what? That's what I've been teaching you. 42 is what times what?
7 times 6.
See, you plan not, you see, people are not using the method I've already taught you people. Oh.
Sir, I knew it.
You knew it.
Yes. I said yes, I'm done. 6, we'll use family tree. Oh God, my heavens.
Yes, family tree. That's exactly what I'm using, that your method of family tree.
6 times 7 times 10 times 10 again. We'll do 6 is 3 times 2. Our answer is 7 also. 7 cannot be changed, so it's going to leave it into 7. And also 10 it will be 2 in 2 in 5. And also that 10 again, it will be 2 and 5.
Okay, so the 10 is what? 2 times 5, right?
Yes, sir. It will be 2 times 2. 2 times
2 times 5. How many 2 times 5s do we have now?
that.
How many 2 times 5 in how many places?
2.
In 2 places, right?
So,
You're not even sure of what you did again. 2 times 5 in how many places?
2. So to be
Good.
raised
So
to
let's
power
bring
2.
let's bring all of them together, shall we? So
Yes, sir. 2
so we have
raised to
2.
power 3 times 3 times
Thank
5
you very
raised to
much.
power
2 raised to
times
power what?
7. 2
3
raised to
times
power
what?
3 times 7 times 2 raised to no 2
Don't
raised to
skip the
power
3.
3 times 3
You
times
skip
5
the
raised to
3,
power
you will
2
forget
times
it.
7.
5 raised to power what?
2 equal and times 7.
And then finally times 7, correct. So that's it. Oh yeah, I'm sure you've written it down in your book. So nice one. Oh yeah, let's go to number 17. What does number 17 say?
70, of course.
Yes. What does
17
number
is
17 say?
a film that is filled per day 150 liters of action.
Yes, that's that you see that thing that you called that you're trying to pronounce. It's called ethanol. Ethanol, okay? Yes, don't worry, you will learn about it in science. Yes,
Okay.
you will learn about it in science. It's called ethanol. It's an alcohol, okay?
Jesus. Increase
Yes.
its products by 25%.
Please, I don't agree.
A
Go
farm
back and read it well.
a film this that this fuel per day 150 liters of ethanol increase
Yes.
production by 25%. How much?
It's still saying, where are you getting this 25% from, madam? Please read the correct.
28%. How much
Better.
ethanol did it produce after the increase?
Oh yeah. So how will we calculate it? Don't go and give me answer. How will you calculate it? Yes, I'm waiting.
You do 150 plus 28. I'm still trying my best now. I don't know this question. My head.
So seriously, like for real, is that how you are going to solve it? 150 plus 28?
I don't know this question in
Talk
this
now.
time. I don't know this question. That's why you were asking us on Thursday.
How long
the
are you
answer. We're
going to
going
be
to
telling
do
me
this
thing? I don't know
minus
this question. I
the
don't know this question.
150 liters minus 28%.
Why are you minusing, madam? Where did you get your own from?
So okay, I've learned it. 25.
I'll just tell you for something.
28
Whatever
over
you do,
excuse me.
whatever
28
you
over
do,
100. Hey, he's talking.
are you listening to me? Whatever you do, me, I'll not allow you to be the ones that are driving. You not take us inside the bush. I don't want to go inside the bush.
So when you say that one of
You want
us
to drive inside the bush.
one
Well
of us,
done. But I'll not allow you to take us inside the bush. Did you see what I just wrote down now?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just said that
So it
one.
is 150 plus 28% of 150. Okay. Now this is one method. I remember the day very well. I taught you this method. I told you that there were 2 methods of doing it. You either use this method, which is a straightforward method, or you say, okay, so let's finish this method first. Let's finish this method first. 150 plus 28% of 150. Now, 28% of 150 will give you what? 0 will cancel 0.
150. That's what I'm
5 in 10 is what?
Is
2, isn't it?
Is 2.
5 in 15 is what? 3. 2 in 28 is what?
60 over 20. And that
Where did you get 60?
28.
Where did you get 60 over 20?
I'm
2 in 28 is
wondering.
14. Please.
2 is 14. 14 times 3.
14 times 3 is what?
14 times 3 is, let me talk.
14 times 3 is 42.
Thank you very much. So 150 plus 42 is what?
Oh yeah, 50 plus 42 is, it is going to be 192. 192.
192.
Oh, I know that.
Okay, liters. Okay, now who can tell me? Let me see. Let me just give you a chance now. Who can tell me the second method I taught? Let's see if you remember. Who can tell me the second method I taught you people? Yes. And please, when you're writing it down in your book, write down both methods. Because we're going to, this is going to be my weakness, that I taught you people the two methods and gave you the option to remember whichever one that is best for you. And if you can remember both of them, excellent. Oh yeah, second method.
I need.
Yes.
The second method that you also told us that.
Okay, so let's just save our time.
We will do.
So the second method I taught you was this. I told you that a whole, something that is whole, you did not cut out of it, you did not share it into anything. That thing that is whole is what? 100%. Did I say something like that before? Eh?
I wanted to say, but
a whole is what? 100%. When you increase 100% by something, you can either increase means
or reduce,
or reduce. Reduce means going down, isn't it?
Yeah, and increase means going up.
Going up, increase is addition. Sorry for that. Increase means what? Addition, while reduction is what? Subtraction. It's simple. So if this firm increases their production by 28%, that's going to be what? 100 plus 28, which is as simple as what? 128. And that's 128%. The same thing. You divide 128 by 100 and you multiply it by what?
150.
By 150. And you see, you get the same answer, I can assure you. Now, quickly, let us do it together. This is the last question we're doing for today. Oh, yeah. 0 cancels 0. Yes.
So, zero cancels 0. That will be 20. This one will be 20. And so this one will be 20. You can't say that 0 is to be.
2 in 12 is what?
2 in 12 is 6. And 2 is 4.
2 in 8 is what?
64.
4. So 64 times 3 will give you what?
192.
I write it down in your book. Please write it down exactly as you see here, with the arrows, with the plus, with everything you see. Write it exactly like that.
Okay, sir. I'm going to collect a little bit.
So in our next maths class, we're going to continue from number 18. So our next class, that will be at what time? I'll give you 1 hour break. Right? Yes. 1 hour break to prepare for coding. Why are you rejoicing?
1 hour break. 1 hour break.
You're happy because I said 1 hour break.
1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. 1 hour break. Yeah. Oh my God. Sir,
yes.
One fight. Fight is using a pen and use it to beat you. I don't beat you now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Thank you so much for completing my sentence. I completed.
Okay, let me ask a question. Do you want us to continue till 12 noon? Do you want us to continue till 12 noon?
Okay, sir.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Not sure.
12 noon is just 10 is just in 10 minutes time.
Yes, I know. I don't know.
Okay, no problem. So are you done writing?
Yes.
No.
You're still writing.
People is still writing.
I have favor, finish writing before I end the class.
Are you done? Oh, God, first. Of my because of him. That's why just no, really. It was this place to be different. You know, as I always say that we see that is that person that did it. No need to yes. Change this.
We're done.
Sir, people are still writing.
Favor is still writing and she's looking away.
Sir, I finished.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
I'm not I don't know. Don't
All right.
be
So see you at 1 o'clock. All right.
This I treasure.
With treasure, yes.